The essential oil that treats varicose veins, sore muscles, acne and much more. Chamomile is a herb that people have used for centuries. Most people probably know it as a tea to calm an upset stomach or to help with sleep. In the past, people have been used chamomile tea topically to treat various ailments ranging from spasms and soreness to indigestion and stomach problems. Today, chamomile is used in different cosmetic and beauty products due to its positive effects on the body both externally and internally. So, we will tell you more about the health benefits of chamomile essential oil and how to use this oil in order to obtain its maximum benefits. Health benefits of chamomile essential oil. 1. Antibacterial/antifungal. Chamomile possesses potent antiseptic and antibiotic properties, so it is very beneficial for disinfecting the house. Diffuse chamomile with lemon essential oil while you clean. Both essential oils have strong antiseptic and antibiotic properties, and they have the ability to clean every corner of your room, even the ones hard to reach. Your home will be clean and fresh, free of the unwanted germs. Treating acne. You should add 5 drops of chamomile essential oil, 5 drops of tea tree oil to 30 ml of jojoba oil. Wash your face first and apply this on your face. Lice/mites. In order to kill lice and mites, add chamomile essential oil directly on your scalp and hair. You can also add 10 to 15 drops of chamomile essential oil to your shampoo for further prevention and treatment. 2. Anti-inflammatory. This oil has potent anti-inflammatory properties that create a calming effect. So, chamomile essential oil can soothe not only physical inflammation such as muscles, but mental inflammation, such as insomnia, stress, and hyperactivity as well. Sore muscles. You should add 5 drops of clove essential oil and 5 drops of chamomile essential oil to your bath. In order to increase the therapeutic effect, you can apply a clay body mask to your body before soaking in the tub. After the bath, make sure to hydrate your skin with a lotion or carrier oil. You can mix chamomile essential oil with coconut oil. Calm skin irritations. Mix 5 drops of jasmine, chamomile, and lavender essential oil with 30 ml of jojoba oil. Apply to the irritated parts of your skin. Clarify and illuminate hair and skin. This oil is a great source of nutrients essential for the good condition of your skin and hair. You should add 10 to 15 drops of chamomile essential oil to your shampoo/lotion. You will notice amazing results. Your hair and skin will be healthier and brighter. Varicose veins. To reduce and prevent varicose veins, add 5 drops of chamomile, cypress, and neroli, orange blossom, essential oil to 30 ml of jojoba oil and apply to the affected areas every day. 3. Stomach and digestion. Apply chamomile topically to the stomach, and you will experience relaxing effects. Moreover, chamomile has the ability to induce secretion of digestive juices in the bile and gut in the liver. Note, chamomile essential oil is for topical and aromatic use only. You should not ingest or allow near your eyes. Add a few drops of chamomile essential oil in order to enhance products such as creams, shampoos, lotions and soaps. Women in the first 4 months of pregnancy are not recommended to use chamomile essential oil. There are some rare cases when people experience allergic reactions to chamomile, so if you notice any allergic reactions, stop using it immediately.